Yes, you can move plumbing in a post-tension slab. You just have to do it the right way. This is a house that we're adding an addition to, so we had to dig this hole and get to the plumbing so we could relocate it. What you have to do is get the floor scanned. You see you have a bar here, post-tension, bar, and another post-tension going that way. Once we know where it's located, we could dig in between those, get to the plumbing, move it where we need to move it. Please do not try this at home. Hire a professional.